Hello students, today we discuss the case study the Northwest and the Deccan. Inamgaon. Inamgaon, which is situated in Maharashtra, is a famous Catholic site. Here is archaeologists have discovered the remain of more than 100 mud house. And the skeleton found here were of the adult that were buried in the ground with heads toward the north. And the megaliths in the southern part of the country, a special kind of burial was adopted by certain communities. This burial is special because the dead were buried in large stone graves. These graves are called megaliths graves or megaliths. Okay, and a few important megalithic sites are Brahmagiri in Karnataka, Nagarjuna Konda in Andhra Pradesh, Nagarjuna and Edichenellur in Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Okay, megaliths begins to appear in southern and northern India around 1000 BC, and after that, towards the end of the later Vedic period, we find the mention of 4 ashram. These are Brahmacharya, Grihastha, Vanprastha and Sannyasa. So, Brahmacharya or student life, Grihastha or the life of householder, Vanprastha is the phase of one's life in which a man slowly detaches himself from his family duties and passes them on to the next generation and starts adopting the life of the hermits. Sannyasa, the last stage of the man's life when he gives up all worldly pleasures and often retired to the forest and fully devote himself in meditation and prayer. Okay, religion, Gurukul system where the students are gone with guru and teacher, imparted education to the student at his home. Now we discuss MCQ type question. Here a group of Aryans who is settled in India were called Indo-Aryan. The Sabha and Samiti were the two assemblies. Varna is referred to as the water god. The main occupation of the Aryans are cattle rearing and agriculture. At the bottom of the Varna system were वैश्य लास्ट जो था वो वैश्य से unscrambled the letters given in the help box and fill in the blanks. The earliest Veda composed by the Aryans was Rig Veda. The Aryans settled down in India around 1500 BC. The head of the Aryan tribe was Rajan. The Aryan household, the head of the family was called Grihapati. Okay. Now, true and false. The original home of the Aryans was in Europe. False, because in ओरिजिन जो है वो सेंट्रल एशिया है या फिर साउथर्न एशिया की बात करें वो है। फिर साउथ ईस्ट यूरोप की अगर बात करें तो जिसमें ऑस्ट्रेलिया और हंगरी आएगा तो वो। तो यहाँ पे क्या है कि बोलता है कि ओरिजिनल होम, तो ओरिजिनल होम कौन होगा? सेंट्रल एशिया होगा, या फिर साउथर्न रसा होगा, या फिर अगर यूरोप की ही बात करेंगे तो साउथ ईस्ट यूरोप होगा, जिसका कि जो ऑस्ट्रिया और हंगरी वगैरह है वो इसमें आएगा। तो ये जो क्वेश्चन है कि द ओरिजिनल होम ऑफ द आर्यंस वाज इन यूरोप, ये फॉल्स हो गया। द आर्यंस डिड नॉट लिव इन ग्रुप, ये भी फॉल्स है। इन द आर्यन सोसाइटी द वॉरियर्स वेयर कॉल्ड वैश्याज, ये भी गलत है, वैश्य। और मेगाथेलिस वेयर मेनली फाउंड ऑन ट्रेड रूट्स एंड अराउंड रिवर वैली। तो देखिए ये सही है, क्योंकि रिवर वैली जो है वो मेगाथेलिस वेयर मेनली फाउंड इन रिवर वैली, क्योंकि रिवर वैली जो है वो कई सारे कल्टीवेशन, कई सारे सिविलाइजेशन का जो है वो वहाँ पे ओरिजिन है, और रिवर वैली के कारण बहुत सारी चीज़ आसानी से प्राप्त होता था, इसलिए जो है वो मेगाथेलिस वेयर मेनली फाउंड ऑन ट्रेड रूट्स व्यापारिक रूट एंड अराउंड रिवर वैली, ये ट्रू है। ओके, इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी डिस्कस अबाउट वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर क्वेश्चन। ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच।